You should not use impact drivers for woodworking, or so say some people, but is that really true? What's up everyone, John here. Back with another video. Today, we are talking about why some woodworkers do not prefer impact drivers. First, onto those impact drivers. They are powerful and popular, but some woodworkers say they are not the best fit for every project and they use drills. Here's some reasons. Reason 1: clutch and raw power. Drills have a clutch, a feature that stops the motor when you reach a certain pressure. This is fantastic for preventing strip screws, driving a screw, and the drill stops automatically before the head gets damaged. That's the clutch in action. Impact drivers, on the other hand, focus on raw power. While this can be great for tough jobs, it can also lead to broken screws, especially in pre-drilled wood. Reason 2: quick changes and convenience. Impact drivers tend to have a quick release chuck for bits. This is handy, but drills can use magnetic bit holders too. Plus, drills offer more versatility when it comes to using different bit types, like drill bits for making holes. Reason 3: the noise factor. Impact drivers are known for their characteristic hammering sound. While some might find it satisfying, it can be a bit much for quieter projects. Reason 4: impact drivers can help, but impact drivers do have their advantages. They excel at preventing bits from slipping out of screws, which can lead to stripping. They also offer more torque, which can be helpful for driving large screws. However, for most woodworking tasks, especially with pre-drilled holes, the additional torque isn't always necessary. Bonus tips: look for drills with variable speed settings. This allows for more control when driving screws. Consider a compact drill for those hard-to-reach spots. Multiple battery platforms can be a pain. Sticking with one brand simplifies things. Check out our channel for more handy tips and tricks regarding drilling. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining me on the Drilling Nerd channel.